Understanding sneaky move in English. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, sneaky move. This phrase is commonly used in everyday English, and understanding it can really enhance your conversational skills. Let's dive in. Sneaky move refers to an action or strategy that is deceptive or subtle, often done in a secretive manner. The word sneaky implies a lack of honesty or transparency, while move suggests an action or decision. Together, they describe a tactic that is not straightforward and possibly underhanded. To better understand sneaky move, let's look at some examples. 1. In games, he made a sneaky move by hiding his best cards until the end of the game. 2. In business, her sneaky move to secure the deal involves secretly negotiating with the other party. 3. In relationships, it was a sneaky move to check his messages while he was asleep. Recognizing a sneaky move involves looking for actions that are covert and potentially dishonest. It often involves someone trying to gain an advantage in a not-so-obvious way. Being aware of the context and the intentions behind actions can help in identifying such moves. When you encounter a sneaky move, it's important to respond appropriately. This might mean addressing the behavior directly, seeking clarification, or establishing boundaries to prevent dishonest actions. Understanding the phrase, sneaky move, helps you navigate both formal and informal conversations more effectively. Remember, it's all about recognizing subtlety and deceit in actions. We hope this video has been enlightening and adds to your growing English vocabulary. Happy learning!